probably is poison. Wow, that took out half my health. Okay.
You got it.
Thank you. How big is this area? This is where I came from. There's like 2 more ways I could go. Is there other beacons? Why did you park your boat by poison? Whoa, what's this? Worn inscription that apparently I can read. The secrets of the past now hidden to each and every man forbidden. But seek ye with a watchful eye, find a key in the owl's cry.
Huh. A giant owl. Must be something to this.
What is the owl's cry? Doesn't have a discernible beat on top of it? No. Can't go that way yet. Hello again. I wonder how often Souls will talk to me. Alright. Oh, that's the boat. Oh, this is cool. How you feeling, Harding?